So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. All right, Spirit. Bottom of the deck. Look, I told you, okay? Lovers, there is, oh my gosh, yes, somebody is coming back. You have a connection with someone. This person cares about you. They love you. They want to commit to you. That's why they're trying to get themselves together. And see, with the Queen of Swords here, this person knows that they messed up. They know you want to hear from them, but your guard is up. Like, Queen of Swords is a no-nonsense queen. You know, her tongue is very sharp. And they cuss them out. I don't know. But they're afraid. I'm not going to lie to you. This person's afraid of what you're going to say because, see, they didn't do right by you. They didn't. You know, they're not content with how things are playing out. They're not content with, I'm telling you, it's their money. Look at this. I am getting the energy. Yes, they did leave you out in the cold. And yes, they want to come back to make it right. But this could also be the person that they've been dealing with. They're going through something right now with someone else because somebody's coming off real nasty to them, okay? And it has something to do with money. I told you with Release Your Ex. So, oh, they're going through their karma. See? Yep, this person in the past, they were being sneaky, but they're making changes. And this person's definitely making changes because they want to make it right. See, they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, it may not grow, you know, because they were entertaining someone else. Tell me more. Yep, someone from the past. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. But this is letting me know that they didn't balance things out. But see, I told you, they can't move forward with you just yet because they're still going through their karma. They still have to go through their lessons. But see, they're going to make a decision. Tell me more. Ooh. Four of Wands tried to come out, but it was reversed. So I'm telling you, there's some type of home. I mean, you just gonna jump out like that. There's some type of home family situation, something going on. And the way Judgment came out, it landed like this. So this could be, let's just say, if somebody's going through some type of legal situation, or they will be, they have to wait on a decision, and that's why there's a holdup. For others of you, this person's just back and forth with trying to make a decision. Tell me more. But I feel like they will. Yeah. Somebody's after them financially wise. I'm telling you. Somebody wants money and they know it. But the thing is, they want a new beginning with you. They know that you're moving on. You're not worried about them. See, even the Page of Pentacles try to come out reversed. This person's, they're feeling stuck in a codependent situation, and they're trying to have the strength. Look at that. Come on, Spirit. Finish my sentences to get out of it, okay? They're trying to have the strength to remove themselves from this toxic person, this situation they got themselves in, because they want to have a reconciliation with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But the way that this card came out like this is letting me know, yeah, they're going through some type of transformation. They're trying their best to put an end to a situation. And that's why I feel like they're trying to get themselves together. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but I feel like they're wanting to speak their truth to you. And they're wanting to tell you what's been going on. But see, they know that they hurt you. You know, they know that you're upset with them. But they want to give you an offer. That's why they're like, okay, I have to break free from this other situation that I put myself in to come and make things right with Cancer. But see, they're still back and forth with the Three of Wands. Yes, they want to start over with you. Yes, they want to build with you. But they're afraid that you don't want to have that anymore with them. See, this person's frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. And this is why they're not being positive. This is why they don't have the strength to come towards you, because, see, they feel like you don't want to be in a commitment with them anymore. They're feeling like you don't want a relationship. See, I told you. They feel like you don't want to have a new start with them because they did have you waiting around. So they're coming out of being frustrated. The Emperor tried to come out. Yeah, this is a soulmate or a twin flame situation that I'm reading for. Definitely. See, they're not taking a leap right now. They're not. See, they're trying to remove themselves from some type of family situation. You know, for some of you, let's just say if it's not an ex involved, this could be like a family member, you know, and they're trying to get away from them. But this person does feel like you don't want to be, oh, Lord. This person feels like you don't want a family with them. They know you're not happy, but I'm going to be honest, even the way the sun came out, oh, there is a family situation. There could have been like a child involved here. Maybe somebody is questioning, you know, if this person is pregnant or if they have a child with someone else. Like, they're unsure, you know, and this is why they're not taking a leap. See, back and forth with the Four of Wands, I told you, there's some type of family situation going on. And it could involve a child, children, or a pregnancy, you know. But this person, they want to be with you. They want to make it right. And they're going to come out of being frustrated. They will. Tell me more. See, they're removing themselves from a third-party situation. Yeah. There's something involving a child or children here. See, they don't know what to do, though, when it comes to you. Because, see, they know that they're going to have to communicate. They're going to have to talk to you. But, see, they're frustrated, you know, that because I told you guys before, they feel like they lost you. But this is them going through a lot of regret, hurt, sadness, all of that. Like, they're sitting back thinking about everything that they've done to you. But with this person, they're going to have to tell you that they took some type of loss here. I'm feeling like for some of you, I'm telling you, there's a child involved. Child or children, yeah. They're working on their money right now. They could even taken a loss financially speaking. But yes, they want things to improve with you. But yeah, they're trying to clear away obstacles. This is something involving money. So somebody's going through it financially speaking. And it's like, what I'm seeing here is they're going to have the confidence to come towards you. And they're going to have the confidence to free themselves from the situation that they put themselves in. So I see this person being single. But see, whoever I'm talking about here, it's like, remember I told you there's a lot of regret, there's a lot of hurt, there's a lot of sadness, but at the same time, maybe this person is like the official person of like their household. This person is the one that takes care of everything and everyone. Tell me more? Yeah, but they're going to walk away. They're walking away from someone, but the thing is they're afraid you're going to walk away from them. See, there's the Three of Cups reverse. I'm picking up two things. They're going to walk away from this third party situation, but I told you, I feel like they're thinking you're going to walk away from them because they put you in this third party situation. They're like, man, he or she is not going to give me another chance. See, that's why they're not putting in the work just yet. They're afraid of you rejecting them. See, because they repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back. And even that card aligned perfectly with the Ten of Wands. That lets me know this person they're going to put an end to a situation, but they're afraid that you put an end to them. Like, you're not going to give them another chance. See, because they were being very immature, very childish. Clarify? Somebody could have been dealing with a Taurus, but this is telling me that this person definitely wants to be in a commitment with you. They see themselves marrying you. See what I'm saying? Like, they're holding on to hope. You know, they know you're the one. But see, they're afraid. Look at that. The way that came out, they're afraid if they give you this offer, you're not going to take it. You don't want to be with them. That's what they're saying to themselves. See, and this is why they're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Lord, there's a star. We just talked about it. Somebody could be dealing with Aquarius, but it's like they don't have any hope. They know your guard is up. You know, and this is why they're undecided. Something flipped. Here it is. They're undecided about what to do because they're sad right now. This person's upset because they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around with you, and they're frustrated about it. Yep, frustrated again. It's like they're not taking the action to come towards you because this person moves slow. Okay? Slow. I mean, Lord, they're giving me a headache, y'all. They're slow. This has been going on for a long time. See, they're not confident in coming towards you just yet. So this is going to take some time, y'all. Now I see why y'all over it. I see an apology coming in. It's like they look at you as the fiery one, the passionate one, you know, and they know they messed up. And see, even the way the Tower came out, they've been avoiding making a decision. They've been avoiding this Tower moment for a while. But see, justice is being served. Look at that. I told you, this person's going through their karma. Could be dealing with the Libra. They're going through it. See, this person is having a hard time. Why? Because, see, right now, they feel like, one, they can't really offer you stability because they have something going on their end. Could be dealing with an Aries. See? Yeah, they don't want to do this in and out game with you anymore. I do feel like there's something that they do want to say to you, but they're holding back. See? Right now, they are focusing on their money, but they're wanting to come and give you a stable offer. But see, they're afraid that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. Because they didn't do right by you. They didn't balance things out. But yes, I told you, it's like this person's definitely working on their finances. Because I see things improving for them, financially speaking. But they definitely want things to improve with you. See, they don't want you to cut them off. And it's like they're wanting to move forward. And they will. They're coming. They're going to get out of their head. Look at that. They're going to get out of their head in order to give you this offer that you deserve. But right now, it's like they're not listening to their intuition. And that's why they're still, you know, moving a little slow. So, you're going to hear from them if you haven't already. You know, they're going to extend some type of offer to you. Maybe and say, let's be friends. You know, because they want to start all the way over. And they know they have to do this if they want to have a victory. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. This person wants to have a family with you. This person sees you as their soulmate. You're the one for them. But see, they're not talking to you. They're not telling you this right now. Ooh, I'll try to come out. But they're going to make a decision, but right now they're not moving forward with you, Cancer. You could be dealing with another Cancer, but they can't come forward until they get themselves out of some type of home or family situation that they put themselves in. But they're going to come, but like I said, this may take some time. So let's get some advice. Okay, now these cards are so slick. Okay, Cancer, so let's give you some advice. Okay, Spirit, so when it comes to my Cancers, the person that I just picked up on for them, what advice do you have for my Cancers? Top 20 cards. What advice do you have for my Cancers, please? Bottom of the deck, 10 of Cups. They're saying, you know you can have a family with this person. You know this. You know this is your person, okay? There's wish fulfillment, happiness, happy home, all of that. Look. You're supposed to marry this person. You are supposed to be in a commitment with this person. You know this. There's a but. I feel a but coming. But you're back and forth. You're back and forth. You're like, you know, the seeds that I planted with him or her, I want them to grow. But due to everything that has transpired, it's not growing. You know, so this person's forcing me to move on. See, I'm losing hope. There's no hope anymore. Tell me more. And I'm not happy. I'm not happy about this because you wanted this situation to grow. Clarify. I mean, everything keeps laying on top of the Page of Wands. Yeah, it's like you don't have the strength to deal with it anymore. But Spirit is saying there's an offer coming in for you. This person's coming back to speak their truth. I told you. But I am feeling like with Cancer, you guys, your angels are basically saying you need to speak up. When this person comes back, you need to tell them how you're feeling. Tell me more. But you're trying to clear away obstacles right now. But 11-11, your angels are there. This is a connection. It's like you want a happy home with this person, but again, you don't see how that's going to play out. You don't understand, you know, because you're tired. This person did stab you in the back, and I just see that you guys have been focusing on you. You've been healing. Look at that. You got 2 10s again. I told you, you're feeling like there's no way. Like, I don't see how this is going to play out. I'm basically putting my foot down. I don't want a new beginning with this person. I'm not happy with how things are playing out, you know, and right now I want stability in my life, and this person's very stubborn. You know, they're very arrogant. They have a lot of pride. But Spirit is saying your stable offer is coming in. You're going to have a victory, but you got to make a decision. Tell me more. Because right now, when it comes to this person, you keep thinking about how many times they stabbed you in the back. And this is why you're like, I don't see things balancing out. But I see that you're, again, there's a decision that you're going to make, but you're not positive about it. And you need to speak up. You got to speak your truth. One more. Because look at that. By you speaking your truth, things are going to improve. So I feel, look at that. I see you celebrating. I see happiness here. This is letting me know when this person comes back, Cancer, they're going to tell you, oh, I miss you. Oh, let me tell you what happened, blah, 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 blah. And they want, don't stay silent. You know, yes, hear them out if you choose to. But at the end of the day, I'm picking up this energy where they want you to be honest. Like, you guys are wearing this mask right now because you're tired of saying the same thing. You're tired of opening up. You're tired of talking. If you're tired, tell them that I'm tired, okay? Tell them that I'm tired. You know, I can't keep doing this with you. I've given you one too many chances. I'm over the nonsense. I'm over the back and forth. You know, no is a no. If you don't want to deal with this person, tell them that, okay? But they're going to come back. Oh, they're coming back. They're not leaving you alone. But, yeah, I see you celebrating. I'm telling you, your Spirit is saying, even though you're not positive, you have to speak your truth. What's the saying? You know, walk by faith, not by sight. You know what I'm saying? Because you're like, I don't know how in the world this is going to play out. But what I'm seeing here, you got to speak up. Whether it's a yes, I want to start things over with you, but you got to prove yourself to me, and it's going to be hard, or hell no. I don't want to deal with you. Leave me alone. But it's going to work out one way or the other. Just you wait. So anyway, Cancer, that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates with any of you. Right now, I'm not taking any new personal readings, so I'm about to start a schedule, but I got to go through my emails first from May. Once I get through that, I will open it up for, new readings. So just be patient because there's a lot of emails, okay? Trying to think anything else. No, I'm just so curious to see how this is going to play out in July. So, yeah, y'all keep me posted. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye, Cancer. Bye, Cancer. Bye, Cancer.